You're gonna get tased.
You can do it.
Put your hands behind your back.
You can do it.
You're gonna get tased.
Do it.
Put your hand behind your back. I'm
Listen.
done with this.
My father, the owner of the household.
No.
He said I
The
could
judge
be
just
here.
said you're not allowed to be here.
My father said I could. Get off me.
No.
Get
Put your hands
off.
behind your back.
Get off of me.
Put your hands behind your
No,
back.
I don't have to actually listen to you.
The woman blatantly violated a family protection order and went further by causing property damage. We're sharing with you the moments that unfolded as the police officer arrived at the scene.
Yeah, there is stuff out here.
I can't. The door is locked.
Unlock it.
No, it's kind of broken. My father gave me permission to be here.
Just step out here.
I can't, dude. It's
Then go to the other door.
What's the problem, officer?
You have an order of protection. You can't be here.
My father, who owns the house, said I could be here. Well, if you put gas in my car...
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I will not.
You are going to put your hands behind your
No,
back.
I'm not. Don't touch me. Don't
You're
touch
going to
me.
make this much worse.
Why am I going to jail? Because Arlene said or Colton.
You're
My
violating...
father gave me the right to
Put your hands
be
behind your
here.
back.
Don't call my
Put your
dad.
hands behind your back.
I cannot call my dad. No, go away. Get off. Get off.
Put your
My
hands
father
behind
said
your
I could be. My father said I could be here. Get off.
Well,
Get off
that's
or
fine.
call your judge.
You're under arrest.
For what?
Violation order protection.
I'll
resisting
call my
arrest.
father, the owner of the household.
No.
He said I
The
could
judge
be
just said
here.
you're not allowed to be here.
My father said I could.
You're under arrest.
Then just let me leave.
No, that's not how this works.
Get off of
Sit
me.
down.
Get off of me.
Now you're under arrest for ag bat to peace arrest.
Millie, get him.
740, I'm fighting her.
Get off of me now.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
You're gonna get tased.
I don't give a
I don't want to tase you, but I
Yes,
will
you
do
do,
this.
because you're a piece of shit cop, just like Charlie.
If I wanted to tase you, I would have already done it.
Get off of me
No.
now.
You're under arrest.
For what? My father said I
explained
could
it
be
to you.
here. He gave me permission.
You're under arrest.
I was here last night and there was no problem.
You're under arrest.
No, I'm
All that
not.
there is to it. Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. Go get your judge.
You'll see him in the morning.
No, I won't, you dumb motherfucker. Get off me.
No.
Get
Put your hands
off.
behind your back.
Get off of me.
Put your hands behind your
No,
back.
I don't have to actually listen to you.
Okay.
Call my mother, call my father, call your judge, call whoever.
You're under arrest.
For what?
I've explained this to you time
I
and
don't
time
give
again.
a shit. You also pulled me over when I was going 40.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
No, dude.
Put your hand behind
I'm
your back.
under peaceful protest. I'm a minister.
Alright, you're gonna get tased.
You can do it.
You're gonna get tased.
You can do it.
Put your hands behind
You
your
can
back.
do it.
You're gonna get tased.
Do it.
Put your hand behind your back. I'm
Listen.
done with this.
You're-
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Do it now. You're gonna get tased again.
Help me.
You're gonna get tased again. Put your hand behind your back. Leave them behind your back. Leave them behind your back. Put your hand behind your back.
Help me! Get the fuck away from me!
Say 41 in custody. Take
Get
it
the fuck away from me!
No, you're under arrest.
Don't touch me! Don't fucking
Just stay
touch
right
me.
here.
No, I don't trust you
I don't
or
care.
your judge or
Okay.
anything you people do.
Okay.
You're all fat liars.
Okay.
All I did was come home like everybody
You're not
told
allowed
me
to be here.
Why? Colton's not here.
This residence is protected. You're not allowed to be here.
Well, I'm a
You
fucking
explain
woman of the Lord, you dumb.
Okay.
And you just tased one of your God's soldiers.
And I told you I was going to.
Yeah, I fucking get that, you ignorant.
Okay. Let's go.
Let go of me! Get off! Get off of me! Get that fucking seatbelt off me. Call my father. Call him. Call Kurt.
All right, I'm just gonna tase you again then.
Call Kurt. Call Kurt.
Kick the
Call
door
him. He said I could be
You're gonna
here.
get tased.
He said I could be
Put
here.
your leg in.
The owner of the
Put
house
your leg in
said
the
I
car.
could be here.
Put your leg in the car.
Mom!
Put your leg in the car.
Mom!
No further. Hi, how are you?
Well, you know, I did what
Okay, so this is how this went. One of the workers here called
Yeah,
because she was here.
right,
There's still the active order protection in place.
right,
It's a protected address. She's not allowed to be here.
right. And if Colton's not here, Kurt and I have to say it's okay. And I was a mile down the road.
Okay, so I informed her of that. I told her that she was going to be placed under arrest for violation of order protection. She said, no, I'm not. And then we got into a little bit of a spat there. Then
That's
she
what
kicked
Ryan
me
was saying.
numerous
She
times.
kicked you? Oh, that doesn't shock me.
Numerous times. I told her she was going to be tased if she didn't comply. She said, "F***ing do it." So she was drive stunned. Compliance was gained. And now she's in the back of the car.
Okay, well, I know Ryan, he was on the skid loader when he called me that she showed up. I'm like, stay in the skid loader. He goes, I'm hiding behind the pine trees right now. I said, good spot for you. Kurt's down in Shelbyville right now at a cattle sale.
All good.
And our son is in Iowa getting cattle ready for a different cattle sale. And I hate to put Ryan into this.
Right.
He's
No,
Colton's bestie and he works for us on and off. And I also called, besides Ryan, calling 911 because I'm like, he's there. He's okay to be there. She stopped last night without letting us know. And her and I got into it. And I have a nice old gouge in my truck from where she threw her phone at it. So, you know.
Okay.
This is a 2016, so there is other things in it.
Just like, go to the other side and get ready to detain her.
Your husband said I could be here. He said I could be here. He said I could be here. He said I could be here. They all told me to come home to my mama, who loves me so much, but she doesn't give a f***. You don't love me.
I just talked to your dad. He didn't say anything about it was okay to be here.
I just got off the phone with him too, you asshole.
Double lock him.
I know I have to go to jail because you're a worthless who never loved me in the first place because you had postpartum depression.
Yeah, I don't think that's true, honey.
Well, that's how it felt. You always loved your son more than me, right? He's so precious to you.
This one too.
No, I never have been. I always had to be the best at everything.
Put your foot in. All right, we're going to take her down to the jail.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry you had to deal with this.
Is that dog still in her car?
It's the canine.
Oh,
Yeah. Mine's with me.
well, she had the boyfriend's dog with her here last night. So.
You're Ryan? Yep. Can I just get your information real quick? You got your driver's license on you?
We'll bail you out.
Okay, I gotta find some humor in something in my life.
Same 4027 by file. Just take her. I'll be down in a second.
I don't know.
Good luck with that ride, officer.
That's
The man door was open. Oh, look at the screen door. She tore the crap out of the screen door to get in the house.
10-4. All right, so you were here working. Yep. You saw her show up.
Yeah.
And you called our dispatch.
Yeah,
Did you see how she got into the house?
Kicked the door in. They just found out how she
I
got
did
in.
not. Whenever I got here, or whenever she pulled in, I was taking the skid loader down to the burn pile down there to dump some stuff.
Okay.
And so I called Arlene. She's like, call the cops. So I did. And then after I got done dumping my stuff down there, I just decided to hang out
Stay
behind.
down there. Good idea.
behind the pine trees until you guys showed up, and once I saw you roll up, I came up here
Okay, cool.
and parked it. So
All right. Well, I appreciate it. We'll get her out of your hair.
sweet.
Yeah, they figured out how to get in, kick the door open. It's still locked.
Okay.
So I told her to check the house and make sure there was nobody there.
Did she go in?
Arlene did, yeah.
Okay.
Arlene? Come here. Yep. See, it's all torn. Millie?
Okay.
Come here. Millie's office. He doesn't
Millie.
that.
So she kicked this in?
Yeah, I mean,
Okay.
it's been a little sketchy since the last time it had to get busted in 2 years ago. Because
But it
of
wasn't
her.
like this.
No.
Okay.
Because I know my service door was locked. I don't think she knows the code. Everything was locked when I left.
Okay.
Because
And this
that's-
wasn't like this when you left?
No.
Okay. I'm going to grab some pictures real quick. Are you on to press charges for this?
Go! Millie! Come here, pretty. I don't know. I'd have to talk to Kurt. And he's in the middle of a cattle sale.
I'm gonna shut the register.
So-
In here, sorry, officer.
You're fine.
Do I press charges against this?
If it were me, this is simply if it were me, I would.
Can I show you the dent in my truck?
Yeah, absolutely.
Because this is,
Come this way.
I'm gonna look around the house already.
Okay. I mean, yes, I have scratches, but there's these two buffs, and this is where she launched her phone.
And that was from last night?
Yep. And it's a horrible, yeah, and there's a horrible reflection. And she had tossed that table, she threw her keys. Luckily, they didn't hit the TV, they went over the TV and landed in the bracket.
Okay.
She threw the horseshoes. She threw our horseshoes that we got by the door. She launched them, at least she launched them out the door.
Okay.
Pushed me, though, she told Kurt that I pushed her. I'm like, whatever. You know, neither one of us, there was only her and I here at the time, so
Right. Okay.
that's the whole he said, she said crap. But
So as far as her kicking this door in, you want to go
I
forward with
think
some
I
charges
should.
on that?
I think I should because when's it going to stop? I want to
Right.
replace this door and that door, but the way she was slamming doors when she was here last night, it's like, how do I replace something when she's going to show up and fix the shit?
Right. Yep, as long as you're good with that, I'm going to add on the charge for that.
Okay, I would say there's a bunch of tickets sitting up by my mind.
Yeah, it's kind of ironic. I just stopped her 15 minutes before she came here. Totally unrelated, but she got a bunch of citations from me, and then she showed up here. So,
Okay, so yeah, Stroh's gonna have a field day with her.
yeah, she said some not so nice things about the judges on my body cam, so.
Oh, good. Good.
But, okay, I'm going to follow him down just so there's no problems on the way.
Okay.
And then I'll make sure all this gets taken care of. If something else comes up, just give me a call and let me know, and I'll attach it. Okay?
Thanks, Dakota.
Yep, not a problem. We'll see you guys.
You're just another worthless, beat-up cop who does whatever the someone tells him to do. Because he's the owner of the house. Not that bitch. She might be a co-owner, but she's not the owner. And Cole owner either. Keep on listening. Who cares about the girl like that? Or beat? No one cares about her because she's what? She's what again, officer? Oh, no, she's just so worthless, a whore from Roanoke. But you never listen to her. Now where's Gavin today? The guy who threatened her in just 6th grade. Well, he's living it up in Texas. But that godforsaken school and the police officers did nothing. Even though he got away with raping 2 other women. So where is your justice? Where is your God? Because he's not with you people. Because that's still my legal address. Where all my mail gets sent. You know what's also a crime? A federal crime? going through someone's mail like my mother does. So why did you go back and arrest her? You're not gonna do it? No. Don't care about that law. It's also a crime for police officers to harass people. And they've been harassing the shit out of me lately. And I'm all over the internet, and I will scream and kick and cry and whine and bitch. Because that is my right. Freedom of speech, isn't it? Just like it's a freedom to have whatever religion you want and a freedom to bear arms. But you guys only pay attention to certain laws. And you only care about certain laws. You don't actually care about the people that you hurt or the families you destroy each year. You care about your law and your God. Your God does not love you. That I am sure. You may think you're doing this great, fine, and dandy job, but you're not.
Subscribe to City Guardians to see real-life stories of officers working to protect communities and maintain safety. And let us know your thoughts on this situation by sharing your opinion in the comments below.